Hello folks, in this video we will gonna learn how to collect data from CRSP. So if you don't know about CRSP is the stock data. If you want to collect any kind of data about stock, you need to collect data from the CRSP. Okay, so to collect data from the CRSP, you need to have your access open with the WRDS. You know that we can get our WRDS access from our library. So if you don't know how to get access of your WRDS, see my previous video about how to get access about WRDS. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to collect data from CRSP. Okay, so let's share my screen. So if you see the WRDS interface, so this is the WRDS interface. In this interface, you know that there are a lot of data base, individual database. One of the database is CRSP, CRSP. So CRSP, if you want the elaboration of the CRSP, is Center for Research in Securities Prices. It is a University of Chicago Booth School of Business actually database. So you will gonna get all the stock data and stock related data from the CRSP. So if you go to the stock and security files, so here you can collect daily stock data or monthly stock data. Okay, so let's collect daily stock. Now, same as CompuStat, you can select the range of the data you want. You can select as much as 1925 until December 31st, 2024. Okay, so this is the data range you can select. Now you can select individual ticker or you can select a group of ticker. You know that you can actually create a notepad file or txt file by your ticker, right? So we have learned this in our last video. Let me show you again. So this is the folder you need to create for your ticker symbol. Each of the line one ticker. For example, this is the ticker of Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, Micron. So you need to know the ticker symbol of your desired company and include each of the ticker symbol in each of the line, as many ticker as you want. Okay, there is no limit. But the main constraint is you need to put each of the ticker in each of the line. Okay, so now let's input this ticker file here, and these are the data you can collect from the or variable you can collect from the CRSP. There are 61 data or variable here. For example, company name, ticker symbol, like bid price, ask price, then return, then there are a lot of other data as well. Volume, okay, volume, then SIC code. I'm looking for the closing price thing. Closing price is the number of trade, shares, number of share outstanding. Okay. I think the closing price is PRC. Yeah, this one, price. Okay, price. So you can include as many variable as you want. So just include from here and list it here. Now you need to select your desired output file format. For example, I select CSV file. You know that CSV is a very good types of file. You can convert CSV file to any kind of file like Stata file or SAS file, even Excel file, okay, later on. So let's do the CSV file and it is ready. Now hit the submit form. It will gonna take some time because it is a big file. This is a daily file. Okay, so it didn't take long. It is 830 kilobyte file. It is ready to view. Look, you got all the data from your by your desired actually company. One thing you need to know, since we did not actually select ticker or company name, it actually came with the identifier par number. If you want to, if you just select one more file, one more variable like company name and ticker symbol, let us do one more time. You can find the refined query have two more variable. Look, it has ticker symbol and company name here as well. Okay, and this is the price in 1st of February 2019. The price of Microsoft, closing price of the Microsoft was 101. The bid price was this one and ask price is this one. This is the share outstanding. This is the number of trade. So this is a stock price level. So daily stock price level data. So if you want to analyze stock return or any kind of research about stock price and so on, volatility, liquidity, and so on, you can use CRSP. Okay, so the CRSP will gonna give you a very good understanding about the stock price and the behavior of the stock market. So in CRSP, if you go to the CRSP one more time, there are other database as well, like here in our subscription, a lot of data actually is not subscribed in our database. So we have just stock data and event data. You can also collect monthly data. You can collect stock market index data. Okay, you can collect some event. You can actually do some event analysis. So this is what we do actually using CRSP. So we are going to learn more about WRDS and more about data collection in the later videos. So please, if you want to get more update about more database collection and more finance knowledge, please join with this channel. You can get more and more update. Thank you for watching this video.